In this video, we will look at some of the best stand food mixer. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen kneading dough or whipping cream by hand? Say goodbye to tedious food prep with the BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer. With its powerful features and innovative design, this mixer is a game changer for any home chef. Here's why the BioloMix mixer deserves a spot in your kitchen. Powerful performance. The BioloMix mixer boasts a robust 1200W DC motor, ensuring efficient and thorough mixing every time. Whether you're kneading heavy dough or whipping up delicate meringues, this mixer can handle it all with ease. Precise speed control. With 6 optimized speeds and a timer function, you have complete control over your mixing process. From gentle stirring to high-speed whipping, you can achieve the perfect consistency for your recipes. Quiet operation. Say goodbye to noisy kitchen appliances. The BioloMix mixer operates at a low noise level of less than or equal to 60 decibels, thanks to its high-quality DC motor and innovative construction. Enjoy peaceful cooking sessions without disturbing the peace of your home. Generous capacity. Equipped with a spacious 6L stainless steel bowl, the BioloMix mixer is perfect for preparing large batches of dough or batter. Whether you're cooking for a small family dinner or a big gathering of friends, this mixer has you covered. Convenient design features. The BioloMix mixer is designed with user convenience in mind. The tilt head design allows for easy access to the mixing bowl. Number 4. Vizio 660W Kitchen Mixer. Are you ready to take your cooking and baking to the next level? Look no further than the Vezzio 660W Kitchen Mixer. With its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and innovative design features, this mixer is a must-have for any aspiring chef. Professional quality. Backed by 9 years of production history and a dedicated R&D team, Vezzio is a trusted name in professional chef machinery. The 660W high-performance motor ensures efficient mixing of a variety of foods, from light egg whites to thick cookie dough. Versatile mixing. With 10-speed control and a 9.5 QT capacity stainless steel bowl, the Vezzio mixer can handle all your mixing needs. Whether you're whipping up a batch of fluffy pancakes or kneading dough for homemade bread, this mixer delivers consistently perfect results. Number 3. VEVOR Electric Dough Machine. Introducing the VEVOR Electric Dough Machine, a versatile and reliable appliance designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Here's why the VEVOR Dough Machine stands out from the rest. Spacious mixing bowl. Featuring a generous 10 QT mixing bowl, this machine can handle up to 2.2 pounds 1 kilogram of dough at once. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the mixing parts ensure durability, easy cleaning, and resistance to rust and corrosion. Adjustable speeds for precision. With a powerful 450-watt motor, the VEVOR dough machine offers 3 adjustable mixing speeds: 110 RPM, 178 RPM, 390 RPM. Whether you're kneading dense bread dough or whipping delicate frosting, you can achieve optimal results with ease. Versatile attachments. The VEVOR dough machine comes with 3 interchangeable stirrers, a spiral dough hook, a flat beater, and a wire whip. These attachments are meticulously designed to handle various food mixing tasks, catering to your culinary needs. Enhanced safety features. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, which is why the VEVOR dough machine is equipped with a secure shield to prevent accidental injuries and ingredient splashing. Number 2. Sonifer Stand Mixer. Introducing the Sonifer Stand Mixer, a powerful and versatile appliance designed to make your cooking and baking endeavors a breeze. Efficient performance. With 6 speed settings and a robust 200W motor, the Sonifer Stand Mixer offers unparalleled performance for mixing, blending, and whipping a variety of ingredients. Whether you're preparing dough for homemade bread or whipping up a fluffy cake batter, this mixer delivers consistent results every time. Generous capacity. Featuring a spacious 1L stainless steel mixing bowl, this mixer can accommodate large batches of ingredients, making it ideal for family gatherings, parties, or professional use. Say goodbye to multiple batches and hello to streamlined food preparation. Durable construction. Crafted with a full stainless steel body and durable metal gears. Number 1. VEVOR Commercial Food Mixer. Meet the VEVOR Commercial Food Mixer, a powerhouse appliance designed to streamline your food preparation process and deliver exceptional results. Spacious mixing bowl. The VEVOR mixer features a generous 10 QT mixing bowl, allowing you to mix up to 1 kilogram to 0.2 pounds of dough in a single batch. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, The mixing parts ensure durability, easy cleaning, and resistance to rust and corrosion. Adjustable speeds for precision. With a powerful 450-watt motor, this mixer offers 3 adjustable mixing speeds: 113 RPM, 184 RPM, 341 RPM. Whether you're kneading dense bread dough or whipping delicate frosting, you can achieve optimal results with ease. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.